It's in the family. And Ray, I want you.
I've got a few kitchen utensils here.
I want to scramble eggs, not demo eggs. I could have had the perfect breakfast and had to home at your family. Niece, sister.
This is hilarious. What is your name?
My name is Ryan. My wife Michelle. She was the one who brought me to see.
Michelle, nice to meet you.
I'm not a horrible person. When she brought me, I was like, okay, I gotta see this. I gotta see Alyssa. I'm not familiar with you. Now I am. I'm like, I saw the bloopers. I saw everything. I'm like,
Sometimes your fans are a little extra.
obviously,
And it touched you.
I had to get this.
It inspired you.
Yes. I was like,
So is she signing the pan?
yes. I think I brought. I hope the mark. Your marker's on right. I think I brought the markers.
I want to use your mark.
Let's see. I have to say this though. Is it not?
Okay. You just want to use something that works. Yeah. It's got some weight.
I'm sorry, I've been married to him for a bit.
I think they're the same.
I was hoping to like glitter.
Return those. Did you keep the receipt? Return them. There you go. Get your money back.
I was going to bring one and I wasn't riding too well.
Where did you find this?
And I asked,
Is this like a normal thing that people have?
when I saw you, trying to get the eggs out, I was like, it has to be somewhere online. Amazon.
It is cool.
Like, you cooking the eggs on you.
I did, yeah.
I know your niece took the grater.
Gabby did that. Yeah. All right. Let's see here. I feel like gold.
That's fine. I'll see you later. The memory is more precious than the grab. Yes, there are. If I could.
I am a fan of this. Deviled eggs. That's, you know, that's the first time I've seen that. And that's like, it's a very good pun.
Even though double letter is perfect.
Sure, but it's very funny. You're a witty guy. Ryan, and Michelle. Yeah.
And we'll see you guys for the street.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be back.
And I'll actually
We're gonna props later.
Wow, you've gone all out, and you don't watch horror films? You don't watch?
It's her.
What?
The shirt. I put your ass on.
What happened?
You're a horror movie.
Oh no, that's me. I dragged him over to her and he was sitting there like this.
Think about this again.
And I'm sitting there like this.
I bought tickets. I thought we were going to Disneyland today.
You went to so much trouble.
I always go. I'm embarrassed.
You go all out, all or nothing. I like it.
It's memories. Much more expensive.
Are you ever going to use this can?
I don't know. My
Well,
wife.
apparently not anymore. You're just gonna keep it.
This is already your pen that you own?
No.
Is that mom's pen?
No. I bought this one.
Oh,
It's Amazon.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry for holding the line.
Okay. So here's my thing. If I sign the bottom of it, you're never using it. Or if I sign this, it kind of looks cool. I don't. Wait.
Yeah, maybe sign inside if you're never going to.
All right.
Huh? I don't know, because I didn't even know he brought that.
All right. Ryan, R-Y-A-N, and Michelle, M-I-C-H-E-L-L-E.
Yes.
I could not just say no and see if I had something.
No, we're good. We're good. Just think one thing with
Sorry, Freddie.
Ryan, we're gonna.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
But I would like to take one with you.
Oh, okay. Holding the pan.
Sorry.
Oh wow. So we must never cook with this pan.
Never. Put it in a basement. Put a little verse on it. Oh, the vinyl record. Make sure it says something backwards.
He's trying.
Yes.
A for effort. My mother started me on horror movies as a little
wow,
kid,
I can't believe
and he
I'm
hates
crying.
horror, but he goes now. He does not watch all the way, but
My
he goes.
husband doesn't like the music.
Oh no, that's my
My
daughter.
mother got me watching horror.
Yeah, we were little kids. We had to sit through it, so
Yeah.
he knew what he married.
You're very well.
Exactly. I have a whole collection of the
This is a first.
and my
I have not signed.
Oh yeah, we got
cast
a lot of
iron.
that. Oh, that is so cool.
I'm bringing eggs later, so.
No, okay.
Great.
How do I do it? Turn it off?
Yeah, I can just press the red button.